We replace the spark plug on this, and then I'm gonna replace the wiper assembly on a Dash 2002 Caravan. Uh-oh. Okay. Right. We just installed our very first spark plug, so we're gonna insert the spark plug cable on our very first spark plug. All right. We just removed our second spark plug. All right. Man, this spark plug is very bad. So greasy too. Thank God I have my gloves. Okay, now this is the brand new spark plug I'm about to put in there. That's the second one. If I could find the hole, make sure there's no dirt goes in there. These screws here. All right, here's the screws right here. The whole thing come up. There it is. Uh-oh. All right, we're gonna remove the 3 spark plugs and the back. That is the hardest. Okay, so I'm gonna remove the spark plug cable. That's on a Dodge 2002 Caravan. That's the spark plug cable. Now I have to get to the spark plug to remove it. How am I gonna do this? Don't forget, this is my first time changing spark plug. Okay. We could do this. We could do this. Okay, I think I got it now. Let me use my special tool. I gotta use a bionic man speed. Oh, sorry, that was before your time. Your time is more like, what is it, Flash?
Yeah.
My time was bionic man. $6 million man. Now, this is the spark plug coming from the back. All right?
No.
All right. We just replaced one spark plug from the back of the engine into Caravan. So right now I'm about to insert the spark plug cable. Okay. Now, if you're doing this, you can't see it really because it's all the way on the back. You just have to feel it, and okay. I'll just insert the cable. Bad wiper assembly right here that came from the dot part here. Can't throw this away. No. Alright, gotta remove this. Alright, put this on the side. We don't need that. That's the bad motor assembly. We're gonna install this one here back on there. Hold this back. This around. Fit that in there. I'm gonna install this on the Dodge Caravan 2002. Alright. Here we go. Look, it's gonna be a perfect match. Okay. Let's see. All right. Can't wait to turn it on. What did we do?
We put in the
replaced
power, the spark cable.
the spark plug.
Yeah, the spark plug.
We replaced the spark plug. We replaced the spark cable, right?
Yeah.
And then now we installing the wiper assembly, which is installed perfectly. Now we are going to test. Now we're testing the engine. The engine is running great. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. I put my hands on it. It's not even shaking. Look at that. All right. Thank you, Lord. Look at that. The engine is not shaking, Mama.
Yeah.
There's no smoke. All right. Now we got to test the wiper assembly. Make sure the wiper works. All right. Both wipers. Both wipers are working. That's we got to finish installing it. And then we're going to turn it on and see if it works. All right?
Yeah.
Let's go and do that. All right, before we install the wipers, we have to put this back on. So I can remember how it goes. Let's see. Right. Something like that. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot to plug this. Let's plug this in there. Here we go. Put it down. Nice and neat. Alright. I think there are a few screws I gotta put back on there. We need like getting down. These are the spark plugs that we just replaced from a Dodge 2002 Caravan. It's working, right?
Yeah.